Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error in Cortana. There is no mic connected. So guys, to resolve this issue, just you need to open microphone privacy settings. So you need to click here or click on start, then open settings. Then click on privacy and security. Scroll down and click on microphone. Now turn on microphone access firstly here. Then turn on this option in case these both options are disabled. So make on both. Let apps access your microphone. And here in this list, find out Cortana. So turn on it. Now close it and reopen Cortana. So click start and type Cortana and open it. And guys, still you are facing this error. So you need to click on start, then type settings or open settings. Then click on apps. Now in this list, click on installed apps. Now find out Cortana in this app and program list. Click on these three dots, advanced options. Now scroll down and click on repair. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. And after reset, again open Cortana. And hopefully this method works. In case still you are facing this error, so try third and last method. Close it, open settings, then apps, installed apps, find out Cortana, click on these three dots, advanced options. Now click on reset. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Again click on reset. Now after reset, sign in your Cortana, select your email. So like this guys, you can resolve and fix that problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not, and also comment which method is useful for you.